Okay, so what is up YouTube? So this is your boy Jade aka the Scuber. I'm back with another video for you guys. In this video, I'll be unboxing 3 new cubes that I bought from Setsu Store. So yung it took me like almost 2 weeks para dumating itong puzzles na ito. Kasi I'm in the province, so it's very matagal talaga dumarating yung mga produkto galing sa Shopee. So let's start with the Yuhu V2M. So this YJ di ito yung Yuhu V2 na may replacement, may spare color. So this is cost like 400 something. So the box look very good. As you can see here, if matapatan ng ilaw. So let's open first. Open na natin. So inside the box we have this pamphlet, instruction guide para how to solve the Mega Mings. Pero I think I don't need this because I already watched some of the videos from YouTube and they said na para lang tribute. So it's just like self-explanatory, or mag-explore lang ako if I can solve the Mega Mings using the tributary method. Okay, so by the way, for my 4 years cubing career, di pa talaga ako nakapag-solve ng Mega Mings ever in my life. So I never own one and I never buy isang Mega Mings. Let's try the first turns. So this is very smooth. So let's scramble lang muna kasi di ko pa talaga alam kung paano siya i-solve. Pero this said na napakadali lang daw nito. Para lang 3x3. So I don't have problem with that. So let's try the corner cutting. Wow. Nice. So di ko pa talaga alam kung paano siya i-solve. So I don't have any thoughts with this cube pa sa ngayon kasi di ko pa talaga alam. Pero as I notice ngayon, masyadong light yung magnets. For me lang kasi wala pa talaga akong background about Mega Mings. So pero napaka smooth niya. So I tried na yung yung Yushin Little Magic na Mega Mings from the Cube Meet. So yung Yushin Little Magic is very uncontrollable Mega Mings for me, pero this one is very controllable. I think this is because of the magnets that installed in the Mega Mings. So yeah, so that is just for my thought for the Mega Mings. So I think review something, pero maybe not because I don't have any background at wala talaga ako masasabi sa sa Mega Mings masyado kasi wala talaga akong background with the Mega Mings. Okay. So let's move on to another puzzle. So we have this 4x4 Meilong. So it's like 5 months or 8 months na talaga akong hindi na nag-solve ng 4x4 because I don't have 4x4 na. My last 4x4 is it's Thunderclap, mini Thunderclap 4x4. So it came with pamphlet, so nothing too much special there. So as I notice here, we have this frosted plastic matte finish. So let's try the first turns. Wow, nice. What the wait let's just scramble muna. So in 8 months na walang 4x4, this is very hard for me to do finger tricks in party. I think nalimutan ko na yung mga algorithms nun. So this cube is very good. For me masyado siyang maliit, pero I think I will get used to solve with this cube. So let's try to solve I'm not so good at 4x4 lol. Nagawa mo. So, napakaganda niya, pero I think may problem siya with the corner cutting talaga, para lang sa akin. Kasi if habang nagto-turn ako sa 4x4, parang di talaga siya ma-turn ng maayos. Let's try the corner cut. Nice here. Wait. Nice. So, let's continue the solve, lol. Ginagawa mo? Anong method ba ginagawa mo? Gamit mo, lol. Ginagawa mo. Wait. Last. Yes, revive this stage. Wait. Bilis, lol. What the? Wait, that party. Sorry for the finger trick talaga. Di ba talaga ako masyadong 4x4. Hindi. That's not party. Okay, so we have our first solve with the Meilong 4. So I think this is very good cube for a budget one. So yeah, recommended ko siya bilhin if nasa tight budget kayo, dahil napakaganda talaga ng performance ng Meilong 4. So for the last one, this is yung pinaka-excited talaga akong i-unbox, kasi I heard a lot of good feedbacks with the rs3m 2020. So what the heck? Nagawa mo? So I have rs3m, but it was lost. So let's try the rs3m 2020. Sana all main. This could be my potential main, kasi I heard a lot of good feedbacks talaga, and yung mga talaga yung mga gun cubes or yung flagship cubes ay parang mabibi talaga nito. So the box is very did you see that? Wow, nice box. So sa box, for me, masyado siyang maliit na box for some just like this gun box. Masyadong maliit yung rs3 2020, but yeah, wala yan sa box, nasa performance yan. Wait, focus mo please. So we have this ay nako, yung lighting rather. So we have this accessory box. I know nang ang laman nito is Muyu stand, screwdriver, and the pan. So we have the screwdriver, the dami sana all. Never mind with this box. So let's go to the cube na. So we have this stand. Wait, masyadong mga dumi. So, my God, I'm so excited. Gawa mo. Wow, this is very light puzzle. So let's try the first turns. Wait, what? I like it, lol. It's sandy like Meilong puzzle. I have Meilong 3. Wait, this is very sandy. It's just like the Meilong 4x4. Okay, this is pretty similar feeling. But the feeling of this cube is very very cheap. Like, yung parang madaming magmo-move na ano. Look at the sound. Eh, what the heck? Ginagawa nyo. Can this would be potentially my main? That is the question. Sorry. So, daming nagme-main ng rs3m 2020 but I think I'm not one of them. For me lang kasi, mas maganda kasi yung ano, yung mas ano yung magnet, mas malakas. In this cube kasi masyadong maano. What that sound? That sound, lol. What? Parang may naano na magnet, lol. Is that a problem? So currently, my main is gun 356M. So between these two cubes, I think hindi ko pa kasi na break in itong rs3m 2020. So I think for now I will go for my current main, the gun 356M. I didn't really like the performance of this cube. At yung pagkaka-frosted niya is iba sa gun. Like in gun, yung frosted plastic niya ay very very light lang yung pagkakalagay, at dito iba talaga, as you can see here. Wait, focus ka please. Take. So you can see the surface of the ano MF3 rs3m. So here, very very shiny. So I think that is for my unboxing, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you Setsu Store for the ano, I forgot to mention they have this 2 free ano lubes. So I have madami na nito. So that is for my video, guys. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, comment anything if you want. If you have any question, just comment down below, or just direct message me in my social media account. So bye, PCO.